Hello dear students, today's topic is simplification. So in this topic we are going to cover simple addition techniques, right? So because simplification is actually a backbone of arithmetic, like obviously like in every question you need fast calculations to enhance your speed, right? So obviously we are going to cover simplification step by step, part by part, and in the first part we are going to discuss basic addition, right? So here I would suggest you for a simple addition that for any number you just have to break that number in the nearest multiple of 10. For example, it's 27. So consider this as 20 plus 7 and this is 32. So consider this as 30 plus 2, right? So 20 plus 30 plus 7 plus 2, right? So obviously this is what? 20 plus 30 is 50 and this is 9. So this is 59. Right? So this is 59, right everyone? Fine. It's a very simple thing and you just try to solve all the questions on your brain without using pen, right? So this is 50 and 90, right? So 50, 90, 140 and 7 and 8, right? So 140 plus 7, 8, 15. So this is 155, right? So the answer is 155. Now this is 122. So let's make this as 120. And this is 87, so let's take 80. So 120 plus 80 is actually 200, and this is 2 plus 7 is 9, so this is 209, right? So just consider every number to the nearest multiple of 10, right? Nearest multiple of 10, right? Okay, next one. This is 29 plus 39, so 20 plus 30 is 50 and 9, 18. So this is 50 plus 18 is 68, right? Again, this is 47 plus 53. 40, 50 is 90 and this is 13. So 90 plus 13 is 103, right? So this is 80 plus 80 and 8 plus 3. So 80, 80, 160, 8, 3, 11. So 160 plus 11 is 171, right? Now 68 plus 37. So 60 plus 30 is 90 and 8 plus 7 is 15. So 90 plus 15 is 105. Right everyone? Fine. Okay. Next. 22 plus 57. So 20 plus 50 is 70. 2 plus 9 is 79. Right? So this is 79. 2 plus 7 is obviously 9. So this is 79. Right? So this is 120 and 230. Right? Or you can say 100 plus 200 is 300, now 23 and 30, right? I repeat, 100 plus 200 and 23 plus 30, right? So this is 353, so this is 353, right? Now this is 700 plus 100, this is 800. 28 plus 24 is 52, so this is 852, right? Okay, now 484 plus 188. All right, so you can say it is 480 plus 180 plus 4 plus 8, right? So this is 48 and 18 is 66, right? 48 and 18 becomes 66, means 660 plus 12, so this becomes 672. All right, so this is the answer, right? These are actually very simple question, friends, right? And without using pen, please try to solve them, and obviously you will be able to solve those questions with a little bit of practice, right? Obviously, like initially it might take some time, but like gradually you will be able to solve those questions without using pen, and actually that is required, right? Now please come to some practice questions where the answers are not written. Okay, now please come. 57 plus 85, so 50 plus 80 is 130 and 5 plus 7 is 12, so this becomes 142. Okay, now 40 and 30 and 7 and 2. So 40, 30, 70, 7 to 9 is 79. Okay. Now 60 and 50, that is 110 plus 2 plus 7 is 9, so 119, right? Okay, now 80 and 50, it is 130, and 7 and 9 is 16, so this is 130 and 16 is 146, right? Now please try to give 3 to this number, this will become 100, right? So 100 plus 223, now this becomes 223, right? So this is 323. Okay, okay, fine. Now this is 80 plus 90, 8, 9, 17, and 170 plus 1 plus 2 is 3, so this is 173, right? So this becomes 173. Okay, now 239, just consider this number as 240 and this as 56. So 240 plus 56 is 296, right? So this becomes 296. Okay, give 1 to this number, this will become 240 and this becomes 56, right? So the entire number becomes 296. Clear? Okay, it's very simple, right? Okay, now please let's come to the next question. Okay, 70 and 80. 70, 80 is 150 and 7 plus 6 is 13, right? So 150 plus 13 is 163. Okay, now this is 80 plus 90 is 170, 170 and 3 to 5, so 175. Okay, now 120 and 220. So 12 and 22 becomes 34, 34 and 340 plus 15. So this becomes 355. Okay, right? Okay, so this is 100 and 300 is 400, 10 plus 5, 15. So this is 415, right? This is simple one, right? Okay, now this is 120 and 270, right? So 27 and 12 becomes 39. So this is 390 and plus 8. So this becomes 398. All right, simple one. Okay, 280 and 380. So 28 and 38 becomes 66 and 4. So this becomes 664. Right? Okay. 420 and 620. Everyone just consider this number as 400 and 600. So 400 and 600 is 1000. 22 plus 23 is 45. So this becomes 1045. I repeat, 400 plus 600 becomes 1000. 22 plus 23 becomes 45. So this is 1045, right? Now just take slight bigger number, right? So friends, now just take some bigger numbers. So this is what? This is 720 and this is 280, right? So everyone, 72 and 28. This becomes 100. So it means 720 plus 280 is 1000 and 7 and 8 is 1008, right? Okay. Clear? Okay, fine. So 200 and 500 is 700, 84 and 7 is 91. So this is 791, right? This is 200 and 300 is 500 and 16 and 5 is 21. So 521, right? Okay. Now 28 to 80 plus 670, right? So this, just consider this 28 and 67. Just give 3 to this number, right? I mean 28 and 67, right? Just give 3 to this number, this will become 70 and this will become 25, right? 70 plus 25 is 95, so this becomes 950. So 280 and 670 becomes 950, 7, 7, 14. So 950 plus 14 is 964, right? Okay. Now 32, 320 and 680, 32 and 68 becomes 100. So this becomes 1000. 2 and 9 is 11. So 1011, right? Okay. Now 500 and 200 becomes 700. 18 and 16 becomes 34. So 734, right? Now 300 and 500 becomes 800. 27 and 16 becomes 43. So this becomes 843, right? Okay, everyone, right? So these are actually very simple questions. So friends, just be alert while solving these questions, and please try to solve those questions, these questions without using pen, right? So just try to solve some more questions like this and practice these questions. You will be very much comfortable in a very short span of time, right? So everyone, thank you so much for watching this video. Thank you, right? If you have any suggestions or any feedback, you can post the comment, and this is our number 9613192021, right? You may contact us in this number if you want any sort of help, right? So thank you everyone. Thanks for watching this video. Thank you.